AC Industrial and Services is going to be commemorating its 10th anniversary on the 7th of November 2008. I believe this is a significant landmark in the history of a company that has done sterling work in providing development to both urban and rural communities. I myself have had the opportunity to work closely with its proprietor, Mr. Ishwar Ramlutchman, and I have accompanied him to a number of these rural areas where his company is working. And I've seen his work in areas like irrigation, in agricultural areas, and a number of areas which involve the poorer, underdeveloped communities of KZN province, particularly in the Zulu land and Empangeni districts. And I do believe that it is this sort of work, grassroots level work, that can develop the maximum results in terms of bringing not just South Africa but any country forward. And I would like to congratulate Mr. Ishwar Ramlutchman for his philanthropic and social concerns. I think he has gone down to the people. He has not looked at this as a purely commercial enterprise, but one which combines the good precepts of business with that of development and assistance to people in underprivileged communities. So on behalf of the Consulate General of India and all my colleagues, I would like to wish AC Industrial and Services the very best in its 10th anniversary celebrations. And I would express the hope again on behalf of the government and Consulate General of India, which represents the government of India in South Africa, all the very best in its future activities and endeavors.